Here is a quick video explaining how to find the assignments that you will be doing in English 099 and English 101, September 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th of 2021. So the first thing you want to do is sign into Blackboard once you're at the Wallace State homepage, of course. Sign into Blackboard. Then you're going to have to use your A number and password to sign in. You'll come to this activity stream page that tells you everything that's going on in all of your classes. So when you're looking for the assignments for a specific class, you really need to go over to the left to courses and click on the specific course. For example, here's my 099 class. I'm clicking on that, English 099, and then I can see right now, last week's date has popped up. I'm going to put it in student view so I'm seeing what you're seeing. So if it's still on last week's assignment, first of all, if I have not done that assignment in 099, I'm going to do that immediately. But if it's not updated to the upcoming assignments I'm looking for, I can go to the left side and click on the due dates. Okay, so it's your responsibility to keep up with the upcoming assignments. I try to keep it looped over for you so that's the page you land on, but you should be not only working on the most upcoming assignment, but looking ahead too. That's just part of being successful in college, is knowing what's coming ahead and starting to understand some of the content on your own so that when the assignment is explained to you later, you'll be able to understand the assignment because you'll understand some of the vocabulary, for example. Like if I'm using words like thesis statement and you're not exactly sure what that is, look that up. Find some YouTube videos. Ask an English teacher or a friend, do you know what that is? Ask in the tutoring lab. If I say parenthetical citation and you don't know what that is, that's going to be a term that we use over and over again. We've already used it some, but do continue to build your vocabulary so that you don't get stuck on some terminology you don't understand and have that keep you from understanding the directions and the specifics of each assignment as they are due. So if I don't see this left column, if it's hiding like that, I just click on this edge here. Sometimes it has a little arrow, sometimes it has an edge. If you're using your phone or a tablet, it's much harder to see. I encourage you to get on your laptop to do all of your work. But if you have a simple quiz and it's due in 10 minutes and all you have is your phone, certainly use your phone. Use what you have, but your best work will come when you are able to access the details on a laptop, a full computer screen. So as I said, I want to look and see what's due Monday, September 6th. Yay! There are no assignments due on Labor Day because it's a holiday. How wonderful. Okay, so I know that in 099 and 101, I have something due every day. So if I don't have anything due on Monday, September 6th, I'm going to go ahead and go back out and look for my 101 class because I know I have something due Tuesday. And this one is already rolled over to the Tuesday assignment. So I just happened to see it there. I can also continue to look ahead or look back. What if I missed something important on September 2nd? I can click September 2nd and look to see what I missed. You may even have some instructional things, just basic things like, here's how to study capitalization, links like that, if you did not already do that studying for homework, you should go back, look back and see what you've missed. Also, you can look ahead by clicking on the dates coming up. But for this one, the landing page is on September 7th, and you can see you have a career comparison, working thesis, and work cited due by 3 September 7th, and it's for 20 points. And here are the directions or the explanation of the assignment. You're going to create a Word document with your name, my name, the class, and the date. You're going to set up everything in MLA format as you've done so far. Then you're going to type the words working thesis, and your thesis is the thing that you are comparing, the two careers you're comparing, and the three aspects. You already sent an email proposal about that, but I am wanting you to revise that to the extent that it sounds more academic. Don't write things like, I plan to compare, okay? Just write the two careers that you are comparing, write the three aspects you're comparing, and why, okay? So what about those are a good fit for you? That will help make your thesis arguable. Our goal for every thesis is that it be arguable. And you're going to, in addition to your working thesis, at the end you're going to insert a page break and include the works cited. Now I have copied and pasted this sample for you just right here, and the spacing messes up if I just copy and paste it to Blackboard. So just be sure you're aware that when you create your document in the Office 365 or Microsoft Word, that you make sure everything is double spaced as it should, and don't let this font change on you the way it happens when I copy and paste to Blackboard. Also notice we're using the Occupational Outlook Handbook, and the title of the article is going to be what comes first, not the publisher. Here's the publisher, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. That never comes first. So if we had an author, a person, or a group of people, not a business, okay, this is a business, a corporation, we would need actual people names. Like these would have to be names you might name a person, okay? So don't get fooled by some citation generators that might put this first. You make sure your works cited is done correctly by following the videos that I post online for you. So you can click on the career comparison essay materials, you can click on videos, and you can see how to do the works cited for the career comparison essay right there, okay? So no reason why you can't find the resources you need to complete your assignments correctly. Now that I've gotten into a new page on videos, to get back where I was, I want to just click on the left side where I was. Now to upload this assignment, click on the blue link, and you can see the rubric, super important. See where you might lose points if you don't do this assignment, every detail of the assignment correctly. So you should have a good arguable thesis, should be grammatically correct, that includes perfect punctuation. Your font should be 12-point Times New Roman. Your spacing should be double spaced with no extra space between when you hit enter. So remember to click remove space after paragraph. You should center the title works cited, more than one work, so it's works with an S. You'll have a hanging indent for your works cited. Your sources will be in alphabetical order. And the content should include the thesis statement and the required number of sources, which is only 2 for this one. That's really easy. And is your assignment submitted on time? So once I've checked that out, I can click exit. I see the sample again here. I also see the documented sample here. So if you want a template, you could just download that. If you wanted to avoid having to work on the format, you could click that, click Enable Editing, and just backspace where I have student name and put your name. Miss Morris, you could leave. English 101, you could leave. The due date, you will need to change. Your due date is September 7th, so it'll say 7 September 2021. Write your working thesis, then click Insert, click Break Page, or if you're using this sample, you don't have to do that because it's already done for you. Works cited is centered for you already, and a lot of this will stay the same. Occupational Outlook Handbook italicized will stay the same. The title of your articles will be what changes here. Also, the publisher will stay the same, U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Where you find the most recent update of this publication will be at the bottom of the page on the Occupational Outlook Handbook, so your date should change. And your link will be, your URL will be whatever you copied and pasted from the the email link, not the email link, but the website address bar. Now, you'll find more details about that in the video I posted for you on Blackboard that I just showed you how to find by clicking on more content for career comparison essay, clicking on videos, and then clicking on the works cited. You can also see that you browse local files to upload your working thesis. Click open. Wherever you saved it is where you will find it. And then click submit. Make sure that it is the thing that you intended to see. So give it time to load. If you see something here that looks like mine and not like yours, then you need to email me immediately so I can reset the upload link for you. And you can start again. Okay, so that's what was due September 7th, Tuesday. Now, if I'm in 099, I'm going to go back to my class and look for what's due on September 8th because there's something due every day. So Wednesday, September 8th, what's due? I have a works cited video quiz. Outline and works cited video quiz, both. So that's going to be the next assignment you upload in English 101. So this video helps make sure you understand the assignment and how to format it. So to access the quiz, click on that little arrow to start. Give it a minute, and then it does this. And oddly enough, you have to click that little arrow again. And then it gives you where you can download the pre-test. So you can see the questions beforehand. So you download it, then you just open it, and you can print this. You could write these down. You have the questions and the answer choices that will be given to you. So you could go ahead and read these. You could go ahead and try to answer them on your own. And then when you go back to take the quiz with the video quiz, you'll be able to see if you are right or not. And you'll be able to mark the right answer in the actual video quiz. So that will save you some time. So once you've looked at the questionnaire, go back to content up here where you were, and then click continue, and the video quiz will start. To get started. All right. So that is due September 8th, and that's all you have to do by September 8th in English 099. So now you're going to go back then to English 101 because you have something due on Thursday. Well, my screen is not on Thursday. How do I find it? I just go to the left. If it's not there, if it's hiding like this, I just click on this little line to bring it out. Click on Thursday, September 9th to see what's due. Notice every time you have a colorful title of something, that's what's due there. So in English 099, you just took a quiz on the outline with works cited. So you're going to be very prepared to then complete that assignment. And you'll notice I have attached files that you can use as templates for your assignments. Please don't overlook these. These are a super gift, as are the videos. So here are the videos that show you how to create an outline. This video shows you how to use this template as a sample or a similar template. And you're going to make sure you put your actual quotations from your research from the Occupational Outlook Handbook in your outline too. So here's my template. So when I open that, I can see, look, I can hit enable editing and then backspace where this stuff is and put my own stuff. My actual name goes here, okay? Of course, you can leave Miss Morris, English 101. You're going to change your date. You're going to actually write a title for your essay. Don't write this, okay? You come up with your own title. Where you have Roman numeral 1, introduction, you can leave that. I want you to actually give a shot at writing a hook and the bridge to the thesis. So give me some background or context, which might be some important information about what each profession is, what it does. What if I don't know what these people do for a living? Or I'm just not super familiar as you would be because you're actually pursuing these careers. And then your thesis will contain the 3 aspects of the 2 careers that you think are a good fit for you, okay? And then you're going to fill in your detailed